Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable GPS or geotagging in GoPro 13. So let's just jump into that. So first of all, I'm gonna turn on the GoPro 13, and this is only available in GoPro 13, by the way guys. No other GoPro can do till now. So I will swipe down, go to my right, I will click on my preferences, and I will go down and you can see the GPS here. And before you turn on, I have some suggestions which you guys should keep in mind. Avoid using a quick capture, because if you do that, when you will press the button, it will start recording, and that way the GPS will not be able to turn on and keep the geotagging on your video or your pictures. Once you are enabling the geotagging on GoPro 13, make sure that you have a clear view in sky, because if it's not, sometimes it doesn't let you enable the GPS or geotagging in GoPro 13. And last but not the least, once you are enabling the geotagging on GoPro 13, make sure that you stay stationary for at least 30 seconds so it can really lock onto the GPS. Now, once you know everything which I told you, you just go and click on and leave it as is. There you go. Now your GPS is on and you need to wait for some time. Now, if I go back, you can see the GPS option showing here. This is all what you need to know about GPS or geotagging in GoPro 13. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.